a new feature has been added to our website. We have a forum where you can now post to the website on any issue you choose. You may have some equipment for sale, you may be looking for a playing partner or a good restaurant, or you may have a question or even a suggestion. You can post it here. When you click to complete this form, it will open this web form. Just fill in the details. Your contact number is purely to assist the moderator should you need to be contacted in reference to your posting. Contacts will not be shown in the posting unless you specifically request it. Once the message has been received by the moderator, it, or a précis of it, will be uploaded to the Bulletin Board Members Forum section here. Clicking on the posting will open a page where the full posting can be viewed. Additions, replies, discussions will be added to the thread as they are received. As each posting on a new subject comes in, the previous subject will drop down the page under the Other Announcements and will always be accessible. And if a new posting is received relating to the original posting, it will appear back on the front page in the bulletin board. All postings go to a moderator before being uploaded. Please note, your IP address is recorded. Basic forum rules apply. Naturally, no abuse or inappropriate posts will be accepted. Be courteous, be patient, be kind. Remember, everyone is a volunteer doing this in their own available time. Postings that now come to you via SMS, monkey mail, etc. will appear on the bulletin board. If all members refer to this website for information and update on a regular basis, this could mean those monkey mails, SMSs, etc. become redundant and won't need to be sent. The website would then become the central communication hub for our club. Wouldn't that be lovely?